Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 9.1 from question number 4. This is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Okay, so first I will draw its figure. Okay, then we find the height of the tower. Okay, so given the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. Okay, so this is a tower AB, and a point 30 meter, a point, let the point C, okay, which is 30 meter away from the tower. Okay, the angle from point C to the top of the tower is 30 degree. Okay, is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Then we need to find the height of the tower. So this is the figure of this question. Is given the angle of elevation at the top of a tower from a point on the ground. This is a point B top of the tower, and this is a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from base of the tower. Okay, the angle of elevation from 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. Then we need to find the height of the tower. So let I suppose let the height AB, let the height of the tower AB, which is equal to h meter. Okay, this is suppose the height of the tower is small h meter, and the distance AC, which is equal to 30 meter. Okay, so now in right angle triangle, A BAC, triangle BAC, in triangle BAC, angle BCA, which is equal to 30 degree. Now apply ratio, tan trigonometric ratio. So this is tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, perpendicular by base. Okay, where perpendicular is AB and base is AC. The value of tan 30, which is equal to 1 upon square root 3, 1 upon square root 3. The value of AB, we suppose is h meter, and AC is 30 meter. Okay. Now cross multiply. So this becomes root 3 h equal to 30 and this implies x equal to 30 by root 3. Now rationalize over here, so this is 30 into root 3 by root 3 which is equal to 30 root 3 by 3 equal to 10 root 3 meter. Okay, so here we have find the height of the tower which is equal to 10 root 3 meter. So therefore the height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. Okay, so children, this is the solution of question number 4. Okay. Okay, dear children, now move to the question number 5. This is a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that here is no slack in the string. Okay, so children, first I will draw its figure. So given here is a kite flying at a height 60 meter above the ground. Okay, so this is a 60 meter. This is at temporary point P. Okay, which is the position of a kite 60 meter above the ground. Okay, so suppose point P is a temporary position of a kite, and the string attached to the kite to another point O on the ground, which is tied from point O. Okay, making an angle 60 degree. This is the string. Okay, attached at point P to the kite, and another point O on the ground, which is string is tied over here, and this string make an angle 60 degree with the ground. Then find the length of the string, assuming there is no slack in the string. Means in a string there is no slack. Okay, this is tightly stretched to the kite at point on the ground. So we need to find the length of the string. So I will support the length of the string VL. Okay. So this is O, point O, P, and this is Q. So children, this is the figure of this question. So let the length of the string be equal to L meters. Okay, and PQ, this is given. PQ equal to 60 meter. Okay, so dear children, I repeat once again this figure. The kite is flying at a height of 60 meter. So this is a position of the kite which is flying at 60 meter to the ground. The string is attached to the kite. Okay, this is OP is the length of string which is attached to the kite. Is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. This is a point where the string is tied. The inclination of the string with the ground. Okay, inclination with the string and the ground, which is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming here is no slide. Okay, so this is the completely figure of this question. So first I suppose the length of the string OP which is equal to L meter, and also the height of the kite from the ground which is equal to PQ equal to 60 meter. Okay, so now in triangle PQO which is angle POQ equal to 60 degree. Okay, in triangle PQO angle POQ equal to 60 degree. Now applying sine trigonometric ratio perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So therefore sine 60 degree equal to PQ perpendicular upon hypotenuse is PO. The value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2 equal to PQ is 60 and PO we suppose L. Now cross multiply, so this implies this become square root 3 L equal to 120, and this implies L equal to 120 by root 3. Now rationalize, so this will be 120 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3, which is equal to 120 by 3. 3 4 12, which is equal to 40 root 3. So 40 root 3. They are equal to 40 root 3. So this is the length of the string. Okay. So hence the length of the string. Hence the length of the string is 40 root 3 meter. Okay, length of the string is 40 root 3 meter. So dear children, this is the solution of question number 5. I hope this is clear to everyone.